أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل محمد وبارك وسلم عليه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما أجمعين. As we have already discussed about the plurals of Arabic language in our class, today inshallah again we are going to see, we are going to revise it inshallah for the better understanding inshallah. In Arabic language we have two kinds of plurals. One is al-jam as-salim, another one is al-jamu at-taksir. We have two kinds of plurals in Arabic. One is al-jamu as-salim, sound plural, and another one is al-jamu at-taksir, a broken plural. The sound plural is as we have in English. For example, boy, boys, girl, girls, book, books, pen, pens, and so on. In Arabic, sound plural, again it is classified into two categories as masculine plural and feminine plural. The sound masculine plural and sound feminine plural. Al-jamu al-muzakkar as-salim, which is sound masculine plural. Al-jamu al-muannas salim, which is sound feminine plural. Al-jamu al-muzakkar salim is formed, the sound masculine plural is formed by adding waw noon at the end of a singular noun. For example, Muslimun means a Muslim, and we add waw noon at the end of this noun. Waw noon. Waw has sukun and noon has fatah, and this becomes Muslimuna, meaning several Muslims. So it is very easy to understand this concept that when we add waw noon at the end of any noun, it becomes plural. And sound feminine plural al-jamu al-muannas as-salim, it is formed by adding atun at the end of a noun. For example, muslimatun, where you add atun at the end, it becomes muslimatun, female Muslims. I write those examples here. Please make a note of it. Al-jam'u. Al-jam'u means plural. Plural of two categories. Al-jamu as-salimu. Then al-jamu at-taksiru, broken. Al-jamu as-salim means, and al-jamu at-taksir means the broken plural. Inshallah, in this session we will learn the sound plural. Fine. Al-jamu as-salimu, the sound plural, and as I said, it is further classified into masculine form and feminine form. So I write here al-jamu al-muzakkaru as-salim means sound masculine plural, and al-jamu al-muannas as-salim sound feminine plural. The sound plural is further classified into two categories: al-jamu muzakkar as-salimu and al-jamu muannas as-salim. Now let us do al-jamu al-muzakkar as-salim. How the sound masculine plural form is found. See here, It is formed, as I have mentioned, it is formed by adding waw noon at the end of a noun. Okay. For example, Muslimun. Muslimun plus waw noon. This becomes Muslimuna. Muslimuna. And one more example, Muhandisun plus waw noon at the end, and this becomes Muhandisuna. Fine. And one more, Mujtahidun, hardworking. Mujtahiduna. So Muslim, Muslimuna means Muslim, un-Muslim, and Muslimuna, many Muslims. Muhandisun, an engineer. Muhandisuna, several engineers. Mujtahidun, hardworking, and Mujtahiduna, many hardworking people. So this is how sound masculine plural is formed. Mu'minun, it is occurred number of times in Holy Quran. Mu'minun plus waw noon. Mu'minun. Mu'minun is a believer. Mu'minuna, many believers. Several believers. Fine? Okay. For instance, please understand that if you take a noun like waladun, and its dual form is waladani, its plural form is not waladuna, it is auladun. It is broken plural form. So we must understand that that all the nouns do not come under the category of sound masculine plural form. Some nouns they are classified under sound masculine plural form, and some are classified under broken plural form. It will happen once if you start studying the language, you will understand it. Inshallah, gradually. We have understood the concept of al-jammu, al-muzakkar, as-salim. Let us do now al-jammu, al-muannas, as-salim, the sound feminine plural. Sound feminine plural. The sound feminine plural form is found by adding atun at the end of the noun. For example, we have muslimatun. At the end of the noun, we add atun, and this becomes muslimatun. So muslimatun. While writing muslimatun, please hide round at the end. Please do not consider this round. See musli. I write the vowel sign. Muslimatun, and one should not mistakenly take this as muslimatatun. No. So please neglect this round while doing plural. Muslimatun plus atun, muslimatun. While doing plural, please neglect the round is present here. So neglecting this round and muslima and atun, muslimatun. Muslimatun means one female Muslim, and muslimatun means several female Muslims. Similarly, I write here muhandisatun plus atun Muhandisatun. Neglect this Ramanta while doing the plural form, and this becomes Muhandisatun, several engineers. And I read Mujtahidatun, hardworking woman, plus Atun, the end, and it gives Mujtahidatun, many hardworking women. Next, Mu'minatun, believer, as Atun, Mu'minatun, many believers, female believers. So this is how the sound feminine plural al Jammu al Muannas al Salim is formed. Okay. So we have seen now how sound masculine plural is formed and sound feminine plural is formed. We find a good understanding of knowing sound masculine plural form and sound feminine plural form. Boys, I hope you have understood the concept. Inshallah, with this, we can conclude the session. Jazakumullah khairan for joining. Inshallah, we'll see in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.